everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to finally be redecorating my front porch ready for spring. I mean, spring is technically already here. I'm kind of late to the game this time, but my poor porch really needed some TLC, so here we go. We're gonna get this thing looking all fresh and pretty for spring. So first things first, I'm gonna clean everything off of it and give it a good sweep. It's been super windy here in Jersey lately, so my porch was covered in like pine needles and seeds and all of that. So I'm going to clean all that off so that I have a fresh slate to work on. I'm going to start with my doormat, and underneath it I'm going to lay down this little mat. It's in a black and white buffalo check, and I love the contrast this adds. And then I'm going to layer my doormat on top. To one side I'm going to add in this antique pot with some fresh lavender in it. I love having lavender at the front door. I think it just smells so pretty. And then behind it I'm adding this welcome sign, and you can see that I've just popped it up on the back of the pot so that we give it a bit extra height and I don't lose it behind the pot so that you can't even see what it says. On the other side of my doormat, I'm going to add back this crate that I usually keep at the front, and this is going to create some different heights and some interest. And on top I'm adding a simple galvanized watering can and a sign that says spring. You'll see I'm going for a very simple but fresh look with yellow here and just that small pop of purple from the lavender. I also love having lanterns on my front porch, so I'm adding one in here with some candles in it. And finally, this is the wow piece of my porch. I'm adding in my spring wreath. Again, this is another one my mom created for me. She has an Etsy shop where she sells wreaths, and I asked her for something with lemons in it and she really outdid herself. I love how beautiful and fresh and bright this is. So that's my front porch all completed. I kept things very simple. I would have loved to have added a few more fresh plants, but it's still a little cool here in Jersey for too much to be growing and flowering outside. More plants and flowers is definitely something I will be adding in as it warms up, however. Thanks for joining me today while I refreshed my front porch. I hope it inspires you to get out and do the same for your front entryway if you haven't already. If you enjoyed the video today, I would love if you could give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out. And if you'd like to stick around and become part of my YouTube family, all you have to do is click that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you are always notified whenever I post a new video. Stay safe and well, and I will see you all next week. Bye guys.